winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Light off. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. And for Wednesday night, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Light off. From the Ocala to Walton County line to Pascagoula and Northway nautical miles. For this afternoon, west wind 5 to 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Wave detail, west 1 foot and 4 seconds and south 1 foot and 7 seconds. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. For tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less. Wave detail, west 1 foot and 3 seconds and south 1 foot and 7 seconds.